Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter where I teach you guys how to make money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $79 by doing nothing. Okay, I'm going to show you how I made $79 doing nothing. Everything is free. You are going to make this money in this particular exchange where I show you guys in this particular video. If you watch this video, you see the video how I transfer money from the exchange to our Cadly.io. You will see it here if you watch this video. So I'm going to reveal to you on how I made money on this exchange without doing anything. Okay, everything is step by step. If you watch me from beginning to the end of this video, you're going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new way to make money without stressing yourself. So let's dive in. Let me show you everything the way it is. Okay, the name of this exchange is called SuperEx. Okay, a lot of people might hear about SuperEx. If you notice at this my total balance, you will see that I have $79.05. Okay, you can see that this is my money. So let me show you how I made this money. So they have this their native token. Can you see that? And this native token 17 native token worth $65. Okay, and you are going to get this $75 free of charge, and I'm going to teach you how you can claim this money and make a lot of money with it. Okay, so you can see the second one. This is AUR. Okay, this is the last launch pad I participated on and I got $8.47. Okay, if you click on that and click on trade, you can see you can trade it. If I want to sell it right now, what I need to do is just to go to this sell. I'll click on sell and leave it to 100%. Then I can click on sell here. Okay, if I want to sell it on market order or limit order, I can do it right here. Okay, but I just want it to keep growing till I feel like selling it. Okay, so let me go back and show you what I was showing you before. So here you can see another thing, TSCS. Okay, this is all of it is free of charge. I don't pay any money getting all this coin. Okay, so let me show you how you can get this by signing up. Signing up only is the only way you can get this first coin. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to log out to my dashboard so that I can teach you how you can sign up and start making this money. Okay, so I want you to do right now is rush to my description below, use the link in my description, sign up, and you will get your own 65. Can you see that? You get your own 65 ET. Okay, this is their native token, and I will also show you how you can sell this token if you want. Okay, so that's that. Let me show you everything step by step. So what I'm going to do right now is click on this place. So once I click on, let me log out. So log out. So now what I'm going to do right now is to register. Let me show you everything step by step how it works. I click on login or register. So what I'm going to do after this is by clicking on this register. I click on register. So the next thing to do is to put email. Let me use this my email. Okay, password. You click on accept. Okay, so once you click on accept, you submit it. So this verification, you do that. 3 image. So let me look for the email. I'll get email right now. Let me look for the email. Okay, this is it. 89499 submit. So this is it. This is new account. Okay, let me now show you how you can get this ET. Okay, so I have done the first and the second. The next thing is to go to this place. Okay, I got $1.93. Okay, that's ET I got right now. So I have to do all their verification, do some tasks they asked me to do, and once I do all these tasks, I get more of ET. Okay, click on view more. So once you are here, this is the things that you need to do. Once you complete it, they will keep releasing your reward for you. Okay, this is it. Complete daily task, complete task for 7 days in a row. The reward will be doubled, and the maximum reward can reach $480. Can you see that? This is to show you that you can make a lot of money here once you do what others are doing. As you can see, this is 0. So once you click on that place, you click on spot, click on get more ET. Okay, so you leave it to load. This is the airdrop. Allow it to load. I should have shown you more here, but network is really disturbing right now. Network is really disturbing, so let me go back here. Let me explain what you will see here. If it works for you, this is what you will see here. Once you are here, you will join their Twitter handle. So once you join their Twitter handle, you will get ET. Okay, it's like 5 ET. Then you will join their Telegram handle, you will get 5 ET. There is some task there's simple tasks that you'll be doing, and once you complete one, you get the percentage of ET. That's their token. You will get it. So once you keep accumulating more, you will get more money. So that's how it works. So let me go back. Let me show you other ways of making money here. The other things that we do to make more money here is to deposit at least $2, $3, $4, $5 or $10 or any amount you want to deposit. Okay, once you deposit the amount, you can get more coin here. Okay, you will get more ET. You can click on it, then you can buy, but if you want to buy here, you need to get verified by submitting your national ID card or voter's card, any of it. You can submit it here before you can buy coin here. Okay, but you can also deposit from your exchange. You can deposit from Binance or any other exchange. You click on USDT, then you click on next, deposit. Okay, you check the wallet. If it's Binance Smart Chain, you can choose this one or this one, any of it. So that's that for this one. You go back. This is ways to unlock your ET. Okay, to unlock more ET. It's very simple. You are not paying anything. The money you will pay here just to use it to trade if you want. So this is it. You can come here to read how you can claim your own ET. Okay, yeah, everything is here, how you can claim it. Because of time, let me go back. Okay, this is another place where that coin AUR that I showed you in my main account. Let me show you how I get it. Okay, the way I get it is by participating on Superstart. Okay, this place is their secret way of launchpad. This is where their list any new coin. Okay, this is the most important one, because if you are among those that when, okay, let me click on it so that you can see. This is the one that I participated on. Okay, this is it, and this is the new one. This is the new one, the upcoming, and starting in 4 days and 8 hour 45 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, this is the new one. Like, this is the one that I participated on. Okay, this is it, AUR. Okay, this is it. So I want you to join and participate on this particular one. Join on this one. Which games? I want you to be part of this one. Okay, I participated on the other one, and as you can see, I show you I made $8 doing nothing. Okay, I'm going to do another video on how you can participate on this airdrop. Okay, I'm going to make personal video for that, so I hope you watch that video. So let me go back. This is another way to earn massively here. So a lot of places to earn money. You can earn money to this particular place also. Once you participate on this one, leave it to load. Network is disturbing this night. So you can buy it with 0.1 USDT. Okay, you can buy it. So this one, 1 ET, you can buy it with 0.1. Okay, this is like Lotto. This is like Lotto. You can win. Okay, this is like Lotto. Okay, this one is iPhone 14. Okay, 256 gig, and you can buy this iPhone with 0.1 USDT. Okay, this is a lot of people are making money. A lot of people are winning here. So I want you to be part of it. All you need to do is rush to my description below. Use the link to register. Okay, this is another one. Can you see that? And people are cashing out here. This is another one. MacBook Air. Okay, the price is just 1 USDT. You can participate on that. Okay, so you can see people that are participating on it. Can you see that this person won? Congratulations. Can you see that? Those people that won, can you see that? So there's a lot of things to learn here. There's a lot of money to earn here. So what you need to do, start by registration. After registration, you can go through this platform and learn more about it, learn how it works. Okay, I'm going to do more video on this particular platform. I'm going to do more video on that. Okay, so you can see complete the deposit. Once I complete the deposit, I can now trade. Okay, once I trade, I will check in after trading. Okay, after trading, because before you don't trade, you just check in. And so you can see here, before, like 3 weeks ago, this wasn't like this 3 weeks ago. Okay, because that's why I want you to join in now, so that queue in, so that you can make this money right now. Because as you can see, they have been changing the strategies of getting ET. Okay, before, you just to follow their social media, follow their Telegram, follow their Twitter, and so on, you get 555 ET. But now see what they are said now. Before you can unlock your ET, okay, you need to complete by depositing first. You need to deposit. Okay, but before you don't need to deposit, but once you deposit, you get ET. Okay, they are all stay the same. So here is, once you deposit, you trade, and once you trade, you check in. Those things you see here is you are making more money. Okay, by doing all those things, you are making more money. As you can see here, this is deposit to get 1 ET reward. Okay, continue the following task, could have a chance to get a mystery box value up to $480. Okay, this is true. A lot of people have been making this to mystery box. You can see mystery box here. So this is it. This is the mystery box. Let me click on it. You cannot open the mystery box at the moment. Invite your friend to trade and get access to the mystery box. Okay, so once you have successfully registered, all you need to do is to invite your friends, post your link on your status. Okay, a lot of people need to make money like you, so why are you shying away this good opportunity of making thousands? Okay, I need you to make money the way I'm making money right now. Okay, so their rules are changing almost every day, so I want you to jump in now and keep making this. Do more videos on how you can start trading here, how you can start doing spot trading and future trading. See you in my next video to show you more on how you can make more money on this SuperEx exchange. Bye bye.